In there, I got about a tablespoon of olive oil, chopped onions, and I'm sauteing them for several minutes until they're nice and a little bit brown. In here, I have 2 teaspoons of cumin, ground cumin, and 3 tablespoons of flour. In here, I have 1 small can of diced green chilies. I don't drain it, I just pour the whole thing in. I added just a little bit more of the olive oil. I added the one small can of diced roasted green chilies. I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit. All right. I just added the flour and cumin, and I'll stir that around for a couple of minutes. And now I'll add the chicken broth, 1 can. I've added 1 can of chicken broth, and I'll stir that around for a little while. And make sure you stir the bottom of the pan and get everything off the bottom of the pan from the flour mixture. And then also what I do is I take all the lumps of flour mixture that it's mixed with the chilies, and I just smash them up against the side of the pan and then stir them in. All right, now I'm going to stir in 2 cans of Great Northern white beans. All right, I've added 2 cans of the Great Northern white beans, and I'm going to stir that around and cook that on a simmer for 10 minutes. All right, at this point, I turned off the heat, and I'm just going to stir it up, and then I will add the 2 cans of chicken. All right, I've added 2 cans of chicken, and each can is 12.5 ounces. All right, I've got it all shredded up. Now I'm going to stir it in. There it is, all done. I stirred it all in. It's nice and thick. Now I can have some to eat.